In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of a Wix mobile background video not playing. If you've ever experienced trouble with displaying your background video on mobile devices, you're not alone. This is a common issue that many Wix users encounter. But don't worry, as I'll walk you through the simple steps to ensure your video plays flawlessly on mobile devices. Let's get started by opening your Wix website editor. Once you're there, the first thing you need to do is switch your view to mobile. This can usually be done from the top menu, where you'll find an option to toggle between desktop and mobile view. By switching to mobile view, you can see precisely how your site will look on mobile devices. This is crucial for troubleshooting issues like the one we're addressing today, because it allows you to make changes specifically for mobile users. Now, with the mobile view active, locate the video you've added to your background. Remember, this is the video that's causing you some trouble by not playing as it should on mobile devices. Once you've found it, click on the video to select it. With the video selected, you'll notice a settings gear icon nearby. This is where you need to go next. Click on the settings gear icon. This will open up a panel with several options and settings for your video. This is the space where Wix gives you all the control you need to fine-tune how your video behaves and is displayed. Pay close attention here, because the next step is the key to solving our little dilemma. In the settings, look for an option labeled Play on Mobile. This is essentially a toggle or checkbox that allows your video to play when someone views your site on their phone or tablet. Make sure that this option is checked. If it's unchecked, your video simply won't play on mobile devices. Hence why we're facing this issue. Checking this box ensures your video is allowed to play on mobile views, restoring the full experience you've designed. And that's it. By ensuring the Play on Mobile option is activated, you've effectively fixed the issue of your Wix mobile background video not playing. It's a surprisingly quick fix for a common problem. And now your website visitors can enjoy your background video as intended, regardless of the device they're using. If you've followed these steps, your video should now function perfectly on mobile devices. Don't forget that changes can take a moment to reflect on live sites, so refresh your page and test it out on a mobile device to make sure everything is working smoothly. If you're still encountering issues, it might be worth checking if other settings are interfering, but generally, this should resolve the problem. Thank you for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your Wix website.